Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. Please be sure to subscribe and to the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today we are in prime quarantine season and it is protective style time. So I'm going to show you guys how I install my mini twist. I'm thinking like a cute little flat twist on the front, mini twist in the back kind of situation. So as far as what products I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using the oldie but goodie, the coconut curling cream by Cantu. Next, I'm going to seal that in with an oil, and I'm going to be using the Bamboo Radiant Brunette Oil by OGX. Lastly, I'm going to be trying out one more new product, and I'm going to try out the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. I've never used this before. I've never actually used an Aunt Jackie's product at all. So we're going to try that out. You know, I got it on sale. We'll see how that goes. So again, my hair is clean, so let's get started. Peekaboo. So how I think I'm going to tackle this is just do a plait at a time, twist up that entire plait, twist up that entire plait, at least especially for the back, and then when I actually get to the front where I want to do the flat twist, I'll section it off and complete the rest of the look that way. Okay, I'm going to start on this side, right here. Y'all, my color has faded so much. Like, this was bright red a few weeks ago, but, you know, I'm gonna re-dye it at a later date, just not today. So I like to apply all my creams and seal all my oils in, and then I use the gel individually per twist to actually get everything done. I don't know why I do things that way, but I do. So I'm gonna start with some warm water and just spray my hair. Next, I'm gonna take my coconut curling cream and put that all over my hair. Once that's all rubbed in as much as it can be, I'm gonna seal that with this oil. All right, now that my hair is all shiny and moisturized, I'm going to section off what's probably gonna be my first row with my finger. And now that that's all sectioned off, I'm gonna grab my Aunt Jackie's. I'm gonna put that in my hair. So now that I have that gel in my hair, I'm gonna take my little knockoff Tangle Teaser. I'm gonna use that to brush this section, just to make sure the hair is nice and smooth. Don't want no problems. Once it's all brushed out, I'm gonna divide it in half again, and then twist really securely at my root. Make sure I'm catching all my kitchen and everything, and then I'm going to just twist all the way down like a normal 2-strand twist. Lastly, I'm going to get a little extra gel on my finger and just twist up my ends. Make sure they coil up. Slowly but surely. And then our first twist is done. And I'm doing them really small because I know they're going to puff back up as soon as they actually dry and shrink and all the other good stuff. So don't be too freaked out by how little these are. It's gonna take me a while, yes, but will it be worth it? Yes. So here's my first section, all completed. Look at the beautiful twist. All right, and I actually changed my mind. I think I'm gonna go ahead and part off my front just so I can know exactly how far I need to stop moving forward. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. I finished up the back of my head, but it was late and I was tired, so I decided to do the front today. Don't judge me. But the back is completely done. It's good, it's nice and shrunken, all that good jazz. Don't they look good? Anyway, I found this picture for the front part of my head and I love it, so that's going to be the inspo for this part today. I'm going to be using the same products I used yesterday with one addition, which is going to be the Curls Passion Twist Control Paste. I've never used this before, but you know, like most things, it was on sale, so I picked it up. It smells like passion fruit. It's not like, I don't really care for passion fruit, but I don't dislike the way this smells. It smells good. Now that I have all my products in my hair, I'm going to use my Curls Control Paste, and I'm going to use that to line all my parts, all my edges, and all this area around here. And now that my paste is in place, I'm going to do a flat twist, twisting away from my face all the way back.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Boom. First twist. Yes. Okay guys, so here are my finished twists. They're all done. They look nice and moisturized, nice and shiny. A couple of these are like way fatter than I wanted them to be, like that one specifically. I think it's that twist right there. Are way fatter than I wanted them to be, but I'm probably just gonna stretch it out, twist it real tight, and then like it'll kind of compensate and like balance out. We'll figure it out. But lastly, just because these twists are wet and I want them to finish off nice and sleek, I'm gonna tie everything down with my little scarf here, and then I'll probably check back with you guys tomorrow when everything is completely dry. Okay guys, so I will see you tomorrow for the final look. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I slept in my scarf overnight so my hair could dry. And when my twists were about 80% dry, I stretched them all out with a couple of headbands. So we're gonna take those out today and I'll show you my final results.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be.
Okay guys, so this is my hair, completely stretched out, completely finished. I think it came out really good, including the front. Like, you can't tell me that this does not look like this picture. You can't even tell me that. You lying if you're trying to. That's everything guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you're gonna try you a set of mini twists. Me and actually my best friend just did a set of mini twists herself and I encouraged her to do it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. I would really appreciate it. Be sure to comment down below anything you would like to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.